Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your Motorola One Action, for the first, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the apps and notifications. Click on the advanced, tap on the permission manager, and we can go, for example, for the location permissions. So here we got all apps that are allowed all the time to the location. Google Chrome is allowed only when we are using this app, and the other are denied. So we can grant the permission for the location, I think for the camera, and also for calendar. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.